Have you ever wanted to start investing in cryptocurrency, but felt overwhelmed by all the jargon, risks, and complexities? What if I told you that you don't need to be a tech expert or have a ton of money to get started? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how anyone, even a complete beginner, can start investing in crypto in 2025, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident and ready to dive into the world of digital currencies. Stick around, because this could be the start of your financial journey. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm RAJ, and today we're going to cover how to start investing in cryptocurrency as a complete beginner, with no prior experience required. Whether you're completely new to investing or just curious about crypto, this video will help you understand the basics, how to avoid common mistakes, and how to make smart investments in 2025. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down what cryptocurrency is. Think of it like digital money, but not tied to any government or central bank. It's decentralized, meaning it operates on a technology called blockchain. This technology ensures that transactions are secure and transparent, without the need for a middleman like a bank. The most popular cryptocurrency you've probably heard of is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, each with different features, uses, and potential. We'll talk about a few of these in a moment. So how does it all work? Cryptocurrencies operate on a system called blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger, like a notebook, where every transaction is recorded in a public and unchangeable way. Instead of one central entity managing it, it's maintained by thousands of computers across the world. This makes crypto transactions fast, secure, and transparent. Blockchain also allows for smart contracts, which are like digital agreements that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. This opens up a world of possibilities beyond just sending money, like trading assets, owning digital property, and more. Now, let's talk about which cryptocurrencies to invest in. There are thousands out there, but you don't have to get overwhelmed. Let's start with the basics. Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum are the two most established coins, and they're a great place to start for beginners. Bitcoin is often seen as a store of value, like gold, while Ethereum is known for its ability to run decentralized apps and smart contracts. However, it's also important to diversify. That means you don't have to put all your money in just Bitcoin. You might want to explore smaller projects like Solana Sol, Polkadot Dot, or Cardano ADA. But remember, these can be riskier than Bitcoin or Ethereum. To actually store and manage your cryptocurrency, you'll need a crypto wallet. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets. These are online wallets, like apps on your phone or desktop. They're easy to use, but are more vulnerable to hacking. Cold wallets. These are offline wallets, usually hardware devices, that are much safer from hacks, but less convenient. I recommend starting with a hot wallet, like Coinbase Wallet or MetaMask, for beginners. Once you get more comfortable, you can consider using a cold wallet for larger amounts of crypto. Next, you'll need to buy your cryptocurrency. The easiest way to do this is through a crypto exchange. These are platforms where you can trade your local currency like USD or AUD for crypto. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When choosing an exchange, make sure to consider factors like security, fees, and ease of use. Coinbase, for example, is very beginner-friendly, but it might have slightly higher fees. On the other hand, Binance offers lower fees, but can be a bit more complex for newbies. Next, you'll need to buy your cryptocurrency. The easiest way to do this is through a crypto exchange. These are platforms where you can trade your local currency like USD or AUD for crypto. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. When choosing an exchange, make sure to consider factors like security, fees, and ease of use. Coinbase, for example, is very beginner-friendly, but it might have slightly higher fees. On the other hand, Binance offers lower fees, but can be a bit more complex for newbies. Speaking of risk, let's talk about how to manage it. Crypto is definitely a risky investment. So never invest money you can't afford to lose. Make sure you understand that the market can be unpredictable. Also, do your research before making any investment. There are a lot of scams out there, so be cautious and only use reputable platforms and wallets. Read white papers, follow crypto influencers, and join communities like Reddit or Twitter to stay informed. Once you've bought some crypto, how do you keep track of it? You can use apps like Blockfolio or Delta to monitor your portfolio, track prices, and get alerts for major changes. Remember, you don't need to check your portfolio every day. Many successful investors hold their crypto long-term and only monitor major shifts in the market. Finally, remember that the world of cryptocurrency is evolving rapidly. What's popular today might not be tomorrow. Keep learning and stay up to date on trends, news, and regulatory changes. Follow trusted news sources like CoinDesk or The Block, and stay engaged with the community. So there you have it, starting your journey into crypto in 2025 doesn't have to be complicated. You can start small, choose a few solid investments, and gradually expand your knowledge as you go. Crypto might feel overwhelming at first, but with the right approach, anyone can get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and comment below with any questions you have about crypto. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. And remember, investing in crypto isn't about timing the market. It's about starting early and sticking with it. See you next time.